A Phillips screwdriver is all that we're going to need. Firstly, pull the front flap down and remove the 2 screws. Pop these to one side as we'll need these later on. Then gently manoeuvre the hinge from the 2 holes in the side of the freezer section and pull away. It might be a little bit tight to begin with, so remove it slowly. Put the front flap to one side. Now, unpackage your new hinge, which will be attaching to the right side of the freezer section. Using the small circular hole on the freezer door flap, connect the left side of the freezer flap to the existing hinge on the left side as shown. Connect the new hinge to the right side of the front freezer flap using the small hole like on the other side. Then, using the 2 back connectors on the hinge, gently insert these into the side of the freezer and the lower connector into the freezer tray. And that's it, we're good to go. Screw the 2 screws into your new hinge and make sure the freezer tray opens and closes correctly.